Yeah, I'm actually surprised that the boxes themselves had more boxes inside. Okay, and instead of just the tube covering the filament and everything, it's actually a large cutout. Covers the whole unit, actually. Now, here comes the truth tell. How tight is this? Okay, so the cover's not terribly tight, actually. And on here, yeah, it does have Zen Start, made in Germany. And all the warning labels and everything on here as well. So, yeah. I don't know if you can see that or not. Not too close. No, it should be good. And maybe a little difficult to read. And the filament itself is actually quite clear. And does not actually, yeah, it's got the weld tabs on it as well. Yes, sir. Probably be difficult to see that, but right at the edges there, it does actually have weld tabs. And as they said, it is fluted at the top. It flares out right over here. And, oh, it's actually a metal base. This piece here, it's not plastic, it's actually a metal base. Interesting. Wonder why they did that. That's my thought of research for the day. Why did they make that metal instead of the plastic that everyone else seems to use? I don't know, but I'm going to find out. Alright, anyway, time for me to pull the nose of my car in and get these bad boys installed. That's pretty much it. And then fire them up and see what it looks like. Yeah, not sure why sometimes my headlight doesn't actually shut off when I shut the car off. Like, signal's still going to a relay or something, but oh well, whatever. Oh boy, this is going to be so much fun. Yeah, so much fun. So that's the burnt one. I'll start on that side and then work my way around, I guess. That's how it's going to have to be. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Yeah, there's no way for me to show actually working on here, I don't think, but maybe. Maybe. Let's find out, shall we? So we start by taking off this cover, which is always so much fun. All this other stuff in the way. And there's a little tab right here, and once it's moved over, just pull on that tab, the cover just comes out, expect that to happen. Look at that. The sticker's all coming off. Okay, and then this metal piece there. Just grab that, and it's on the tab, slide it up and out. Oh, there goes the sticker. I'm not sure if I can even reach that. Come on, sticker. I don't want that in there. Got it. The old sticker. HID Zen Start. Yeah. And here's oh, just lost it again. Yeah, so it's got Zen Start on there as well. Except the other one actually says it was assembled in Germany. I'm not sure how much of a difference all that makes, but no, just specifics, I guess. And then basically just pull the bulb out because there's nothing, tab not holding it in anymore. Gotta get your hand in there and just pull it straight back. Actually, there's the wire clips are at the bottom of the bulb, so I should actually start by taking that off first. Which is always a challenge. The fuse is down, so you've got to pull it down, wiggle it from side to side here. Oh, come on. And it should just pop out. Now start pulling the bulb out. And pop the bottom out. There we go. Oh, my hand's stuck. Alright, there we go. Okay. Oh yeah. This one's done. Dunzo. See how cloudy the filament bulb is? Or the salt area there? Yeah, it's completely clouded over. And yeah, see? And this is plastic. It's interesting. So this one's metal. Let's see why they did that. Why did they make that one metal? And I don't think I'm going to be able to do this while putting that clip back in here with one hand holding the camera, so I'm going to have to not show that part. Installation is reverse of removal. And a lot of this is by feel, because you can't see anything down in here, which is what makes it a challenge. It's stuck. Alright. I don't want to break anything, or blow anything. Okay. Alright, so that's there. Now it should be able to grab the clip somehow. Oh, come on. Get in there. Where are you? Uh-oh. Uh-oh! It's like back in the day with ICQ. Okay. Get this out. Come on. Pull out just a little bit. Okay. almost lined up, I think. Oh, maybe not. Get you back out, all the way out here. Okay, and get you down inside. We need to actually do this before I push the bulb all the way in. Oh, God. There's no room. It's crazy. Okay. Alright, so angle. Get something to bite onto. How far out? I'll pull this bulb back out. Oh man. How far out does this actually go? Not very. Oh boy, alright. It all matches. I mean, these wires just don't come that far out. Alright. All by feel. Here we go. One more time. One more time to ease my mind. Okay. Now maybe if I hold the bulb with that hand, I try to use this hand, feed this hand. Oh God. And maybe next time I'll just take the whole air intake off. Might make it easier. Might make it easier. Well, maybe a light would work. Yeah, that'd be a good idea, no? Get my light on here so I can actually see what the heck I'm doing. Yeah, right there, it's so close. There we go. I think I got it. That's the other thing too, there's no actual locking clip kind of thing for the connection on the bottom of the bulb. Just kind of slides in place and that's it. Alright, and that one's done. Doing it all by feel. Alright. And put this back in. Lock in place. Lock in place. There we are. Alright. Yay. Alright, well, I've got one new bulb and one old bulb, so this side is the new one, obviously. And this side is the old one. So let's see how these two actually look. See how bad the other old one is. It's probably going to die real soon. I'm curious. How bad was it? Oh yeah. Yeah, this one was... It was getting there towards the end of its life, that's for sure. That's for sure. Bad boy sticker. Don't need that anymore. Alright. Oh yeah, much brighter. Now the thing is, keep in mind that when you do put new xenon bulbs in, it takes some time for them to actually achieve the initial color temperature that they're rated for. So just because that one looks super yellow, in about a couple days or so, it shouldn't still be yellow. It'll probably be something like white. That'd be nice. Alright, so now I'm gonna do the other one. The driver's side one, there's no way I can show the installation of that because I gotta remove the battery box and everything. But you get the idea based on the one I just finished doing, so that's about it. Yeah, so the filament on this one pretty much just as bad. Completely cloudy. So this one was pretty much at the end of its life as well, which is actually pretty good quality control because both bulbs were going to go at approximately the same time. So yeah, actually I think it's pretty good. I mean, I've put a lot of kilometers on this thing. Alright, well, let's see how both of these bad boys look. Make sure the color temperatures are equal, and that'll be the end of this video. Looks good to me. Catch you guys on the next thing, or next video on life with a SAAB.